So I'm Matt and I'm the Managing Director of RMA Civil. We're known for our small to large earthworks. We specialise in electrical infrastructure and small to large drainage. Our responsibility as a company, and what I try and instill on everyone that's involved in RMA, is that we are all responsible for our safety and everyone going home safe at night. We've got the technology installed on our PC 240-11, which is a fantastic machine in its own right, but with the combination of your TopCon GPS, Blue Electronics, height and slew, it's a machine in its own class, and that's why we wanted to be first on the market with it. And I think it's just going to be something that's going to roll out across the whole industry in the future. We wouldn't be without it. With the support and training that has been provided to us by position partners has been outstanding. All elements come together really well. The GPS is hands down top of the range, and then interacting with the proximity and the height and slew and the collision awareness. Some of the guys never seen that kind of technology before, neither myself, and now we feel we couldn't see ourselves being without it. With our small to large drainage, working alongside live traffic, overhead power lines, other personnel that aren't involved with RMA, it's just an element that we wouldn't be without now, and we utilise it all the time. In regards to fatigue management, with our operators and the guys on the ground, just having that extra bit of safety is the best thing that you can have on site. Having that edge is what you need. The damage with machinery is a big thing in the industry, and having that detection collision system incorporated has been a big thing. It makes it a less stressful environment. With the insurance company, they see us making the effort to try and make our worksite machinery and personnel as safe as we can. So they have rewarded that. It's the state-of-the-art safety when it comes to personnel and machines, so it has attracted a lot of attention work-wise. Once you've got it, you wouldn't change it, we wouldn't go back. So the system reports back to our office in regards to near misses, the admin understanding the job site, how the guys have interacted with the machine, productivity. It's important to have local position partners involved because you work hand in hand. You know, if I need to know something, they're right there on the phone. Our guys on the ground, our guys in the machine, they're the same. So we're forever buying new machines and technology, but the support that you get after the purchase is nearly as important as the purchase itself. And having that one-on-one relationship is important. You're not having to go through channels and waiting for replies and answers. You've got that support there. And a relationship that we've built with position partners who come together, and if we need to know something, it's having that support there. It's outstanding. Biggest thing I find about people exploring the technology side of things when it comes to machinery is that the old school way is the best way. And yes, there is some aspects of earth moving where the old school way is the only way, but with the support from your GPS, height and slew and Blue Electronics, it's just that added extra bonus, that part of your repertoire, and gives you that edge above the rest. Integrating the technology across our whole fleet has made us a complete site solution.